Okay, so we're changing the air filter on our Am Outlander, and this is the old one. It looks scary. Yeah, so got this new one. Yeah, so looks pretty nice, pretty clean. Yeah, so let's head over to the quad and we're gonna install. So we're gonna get to the air filter, just take the seat off, and then kind of lift this up and out. Open this right here, and I already moved the old one, so I'm gonna put the new one in. It's just simple. Just place it in right there. So you just hold it in right there. Grab your cap. Kind of find the notch to put it back in. Okay, this might take a while. So we've got the cap back on. And now we're just gonna put everything back where it was. Put this back in. Alright.